concept store ng Onitsuka Tiger. And 40 minutes lang yung waiting time, in fairness naman.
May 61 people waiting.
Yeah. Pero at least, no. Number 42 tayo at ano pa lang, 11:06. 11 o'clock nagbubukas. So maghihintay na lang tayo dito. And maximum, ewan ko, parang 4 kami sa group. So isang QR code lang yun, no. Not bad naman ang pila. So ito yung QR code na binigay sa amin. Okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya sobrang worse.
185 sa US.
So merong coffee shop dito. Anong binili mo, friend?
Hot.
Americano. Aesthetic. Ano tayo sa coffee shop? Cute ng cafe nila, ha. So while waiting, pwede ka pala dito pumunta, no? Chiwa. Cute. Dito tayo pinaupo? Ayun nyo doon?
Okay lang.
Cute nito. So, walang tao, guys. Haha. You can actually wait here at the cafe while waiting for your number, guys. So, we're lucky kasi walang tao. Wala pang tao. Pero ang ganda ng view, diba? Red na red talaga. And black. Cool. Wow. May pakape pala talaga. And sainin na natin to. Onitsuka Tiger Kish. Sino magkaakalang mayroong pakain sa sapatos? Ano oras?
5:38 yung pick up.
Okay. Okay. Eat lang pala niya. Embroidery. Ganda. Tingnan natin to.
Also,
this is 10.
Limited number of pairs lang yung sinisell nila for that yellow shoe.
Kasi nga baka
So wala ka na. Baka yung nilang kunin
sold out na yung Kill Bill.
sa likod mo.
Yung yellow.
Ano size na lang ba natira?
25.
Parang okay din to. Pero parang sky blue. Ganda yan.
Like this.
Maganda din yung friend.
Nakaka-capture siya ng aking Ay, it won't fit.
Okay yan. Ganda.
Like this too, no?
That's nice.
Everything is pretty.
Tagal nung 11 ko.
Where I can try to buy the or other store I can try it.
Yeah, maybe other brands also sold out.
Achieve. Na-achieve po natin, guys.
Okay, so double check. The issues, this design,
Yeah.
and the right shoes,
B.
Yeah.
and one seven black color.
Yes, black.
Black, okay. And the DC capital star.
Okay.
Na natin. achieve na natin guys ang pasapatos ni Onitsuka.
Tara, punta tayo
At i-pick upin natin later.
At 5:30.
5:30 to 8 daw. Sakto siya kasi like 8 o'clock naman yung ano natin. So, Genza Gaming muna tayo. Why are you there? Yan na, i-claim na po natin guys. Thank you. Pakita ko. Pick upin na namin. Pasayaw tayo dito ah. Ngayon na si Madam.
7 yung 25 na year. At saka lucky 8. Wow. May paano system mo? Ano yung 7? 25 sa Japanese is 7. Apat?
This is
Oh, cute. DC Comics.
yeah, DC Comics. DC Tiger.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Yep.
And then last one. Champion DC Tiger.
Nice.
Tiger.
Alright. Thank you. Happy na mga teta. May inspiration na para mag-work. Ulit.
Po ako sa work ng 4 hours. Para makabawi.
Cute ng red. Very iconic. Saya sa Ginza. Daming shoppingan. Yung mga persons. First time natin sa live show. First meal. Ito. Masarap yung isang combo. Masarap yung combo mo siya ng sabay-sabay. Combo. Tapos onion. Combo natin. Sabi, ito yung best so far. Best. Ang sarap. So, umorder pa po tayo guys. Kasi ang sarap ng mga steak. So, after nito, punta na kami Team Labs. Para maghanap ng...
We're gonna burn all the meat.
Para maghanap ng collab team. Team Lab. dessert. Tsaka coffee. Iced coffee. Sarap. $8 to $8.30. Very good.
Team Lab Planets Tokyo. With your entire body, immerse, perceive, and become one with the art. There are 4 areas of Team Lab Planets. Water. Immerse yourself barefoot in a series of massive artworks. Catching and collecting forest. Open air. Cafe and resting area. The floor is mirrored. We provide shorts and blankets for those concerned about reflections. The use of flash is prohibited. Please only eat, drink, or smoke in the designated areas in the open air. Please refrain from taking actions that may bother other visitors.
Take off your shoes.
Buti na lang may locker. Dami pinag-shopping eh. Tara na. Artwork. Kasi yung water. I can hear the water. Hello! Oh my God! Yes! Malamig kaya? Ay, hindi. May chlorine. Waterfall. Arigatou. Ano next? Ah. Oh. Wow. Oh my God. Immersive ang atake.
Dapat nag-download kasi tayo ng app para malalaman natin.
Ganda nito. Sorry.
Tayo magmadali.
Ah. Bina, alam mo sa Singapore, dapat meron tayong parang ano eh. Nasaan yun? Hindi pa siya umiilaw. Wow! Interstellar. Parang baha. Malagatas. Charles.
Ano to eh? Rice water.
Ano to? Food spa. Ang cool!
Ay, mga fish!
Oh, look at that. Ang cool! Cool! Mixed artwork. Wow. If you touch the ball daw.
So we can touch it.
Bye, balls. Say goodbye to your balls. Oh my god, wait. Huh? Go straight down. Kailangan mo humiga. Shit. Parang dome lang siya. Ito ba yun? Nakakahilo ah. Forest. Rainforest ng atake. Oh my god, it's hot. Ay, open air na kasi.
Alika na.
Thanks, friend.
Up ahead are athletics forest and catching and collecting forest. Located some artworks with the app. This space is dark and with uneven terrain. For your safety, please walk slowly and avoid running.
Ganda ah. Hindi gumagalaw siya. Ah. Mag-slide. Tingnan natin ang gagawin nila. Ah, may mga rope.
Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, this is. That's cool. Saan na to? What's this? Ah! Pwede ka umakyat. Cute. Ang cool.
Look!
Ah! There's a fire! Oh my god! Mushroom!
Ito pa nito.
Ay, ang ganda! Under 12? Ano yung sabihin nun?
12 man lang pala.
Ah. Ay, sorry. Trampoline. Ay, ang cool. drawing. Ano yan? Kahit ano pwede lagay.
Butterfly.
Inabi!
Thank you. Over there. So
Okay.
please wait up.
That's cute! Real life and 3D. Yan. Smile.
It's one where we'll go backwards, please, okay? Okay, you can start, be careful.
Okay. Sige, ikaw muna.
Okay, one person will go.
Go. Perfect! Ay, ang ganda. Wow! Totoo yan? May totoo eh. Totoo siya. Ito pumasok?
Pwede ata mo po dyan eh. Try nyo po. Ay, pwede pumasok eh.
Done. Say bye. What the hook? Give me a kiss. Kiss it. So this is the open air section. So, ito na ang ating last night guys sa ating Japan trip.
Ako muna magpa-thank you.
Oh, ano mamimiss at mata-thank you nyo?
Oh, thank you so much for this trip, guys. Ang gastos mag-move on. Joke.
Wow!
Ang hirap
Pero,
broken hearted.
Ang yaman mo dahil ang dami mong nabili. Ayan.
Yes.
Kahit na mag-move on ka. Sana every month. Joke lang.
Ayoko naman ma-broken hearted.
Wow.
Joke lang.
Ayan, message ni Shi.
Pero,
Si mother.
pero thank you so much for this opportunity.
Wow.
Parang first time natin ginawa, no?
Diba?
Na ever since na dumating tayo sa US.
Pero ito yung parang Asian ba, no? Aside from
Yes.
Singapore. Diba? Ito yung first Asian trip outside of the US. Diba? Yan. Omers, ano naman masabi mo?
Love it.
Pagod na.
Okay, thank you. Ikaw.
Tita Mers muna.
Tita Mers.
Ano lang siya?
Ano masabi mo?
Aesthetic lang din yung comment niya.
Aesthetic lang, minimalist.
Gusto mong ginawa natin.
Oo nga pala.
Pinaka-okay.
Ngayon?
Enjoy ka na ginawa. Bukod dyan.
Bukod sa Team Love?
Team lang?
Team Love?
Ito, team love.
Yan, enjoy.
Ano yung least?
But did you enjoy our last dinner?
Hindi.
Busog kasi ako.
Ayan, pang tita na talaga ang mga galawan ni Tita Mers. O ikaw naman, anong trip mo? Anong masabi mo sa Tokyo? Babalik-balikan?
It's my second time. Char!
Totoo naman.
Actually, kasi ako dito sa mga pagkain. And then, ayoko na bumalik ng summer kasi super duper
Correct.
hot. Hot
Correct.
kung hot.
Tama.
So, dapat lang, spring and fall. Kasi pag winter, sobrang lamig.
Tama.
We experience yung yung
Summer talaga.
ano din, yung expo.
Oo, yun nga, no. Yun talaga.
The best.
Actually, for me nga yun din ang aking highlight is the expo. Kung hindi lang mainit talaga.
Yeah.
At ang highlight talaga is yung sipon ko. Joke.
At saka,
Nagkasipon.
doon humiwala yung kaluluwa ng pagod. Sobrang pagod.
At saka yung di malilimutan dito, yung every night, ladasalan mo yung kaluluwa ng paano bumalik.
Kasi bukas is another day.
Ha?
Kasi
Diba?
elevate na lang.
Correct. Kasi tomorrow is always another day. So guys, ano sasabihin nyo sa Japan? Sayonara, Japan! See you soon! Bye all!